Quat, welcome back to Tech24, your go-to channel for all things skincare and beauty tech. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury facial oils with the Byoma Hydrating Recovery Oil. This high-performance formula is packed with all the hydrating and barrier repairing benefits you need for radiant and glowing skin. The Byoma Hydrating Recovery Oil features a barrier lipid complex with ceramides and skin-identical lipids, delivering powerful strengthening actives to your skin. Say goodbye to dull, tired skin and hello to instantly illuminated and balanced skin from the very first use. With hydrating squalane and 9 antioxidant-rich botanical oils, this luxury face oil works wonders for all skin types, including acne-prone and oily skin. The best part? It's alcohol and fragrance-free, making it dermatologist-tested and approved for even the most sensitive skin. When it comes to skincare, science is key. Byoma is powered by actives and driven by science, making it the ultimate skin-compatible solution for a brighter and more balanced complexion. So, if you're ready to elevate your skincare game and achieve that coveted radiant glow, then the Byoma Hydrating Recovery Oil is a must-have addition to your beauty routine. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this illuminating luxury face oil and say hello to healthy, glowing skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare and beauty tech insights. Until next time, this is Tech24 signing off. Quat.